Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. Gift wrapping is an important part of presenting a gift. It makes the recipients feel special right away. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap the gifts in a pretty way for all occasions. So firstly, you're going to take your gift. So the first method I'm going to show you is how to wrap a square or any box shaped gift. So firstly, you're going to take your choicest wrapping paper and you're going to place the gift underneath the wrapping paper. I'm going to take this dark blue wrapping paper over here with some holographic design on it. So next we are going to measure the length of the wrapping paper which we would need. So whatever the gift size is, we would measure the length, the width and the height of the wrapping of the gift. We would take a little bit extra from all the three measurements. So with the marker, I'm going to mark the measurements. So with the help of a paper trimmer, I'm going to cut out the marked places on our wrapping paper. So we're going to place the gift with the right side facing downwards on the wrapping paper, and we're going to wrap the wrapping paper like so. So I'm going to place the one side of the wrapping paper on the gift, and I'm going to overlap the right side of the wrapping paper a little bit on, and we would tape it down. So for the corners, we are going to pinch the sides of the corners. So we are going to make a V shape by pinching the corners in this way. Next, we're going to pull the V shape up towards the top of the gift, and we're going to tape it down. We're going to repeat the same process for the other side. So here you can see we have a very neatly wrapped gift. So to make our gift look pretty, we are going to use some red satin ribbon, and we are going to place the gift on the satin ribbon, and we are going to twist the ribbon and then pull the ribbon to the right side of the gift. Cut the length which we would need and tie a knot. Then we'll make a cute bow on the front of the gift. So keep our thumb in the center of the ribbon, and we're going to make 2 loops on either side of the ribbon. We're going to cross 1 loop under the first one, and this makes us a cute bow. So we're going to adjust our bow according to our liking, and we're going to fiddle with it until we're happy. So next, to make a fishtail for our cute bow, we are going to fold the ribbon in half like so, and we are going to cut at an angle like so. We are going to end up with cute fishtails for our bow. So here we have our gift looking really pretty and prettily wrapped. So next we're going to add a label on top of the gift to write to and from on the gift. So from my sticker book, I'm going to peel off a yellow label and I'm going to stick it on the top right place of the gift. So next we're going to write the to and from message with our greetings. So here is our pretty wrapped gift ready to be sent to our loved ones. So my next wrapping method is suitable for an oblong or a cylindrical gift. So for this, I'm going to take my gift and I'm going to place it on the wrapping paper. Here I'm going to use this transparent wrapping paper. I will pull all the sides of the wrapping paper towards the top of the gift. I'm going to wrap the top of the wrapping paper with a tape. I'm going to wrap the top of the wrapping paper with a satin ribbon. I'm going to tie a knot and then a cute bow on it. Next, I'm going to make the tails of the bow in a fishtail. So I'm going to cut the ends of the tails like so. So here we have our gift wrapped and it's looking really pretty. Next, I'm going to take a label from my sticker book and we'll stick the label on the gift and we're going to write the to and from message on it. So these are the two pretty wrapping methods which I have shown you. A well-wrapped gift is surely to please our loved ones. So here are the two beautifully wrapped gifts. So you can wrap gifts for Christmas or for happy birthday or for any occasion. So hope you've enjoyed the video. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below the video and also click the bell notification icon so that you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.